with the duty of pointing out, on the basis of evidence already admitted and of additional evidence that will be offered, the individual responsibility of some of these defendants for the crimes specified in counts 1 and 2 of the indictment. When these defendants chose to abandon everything that had been recognized as good in German life and affirmatively participated in the work of achieving the objectives of the party, we submit that they well knew what National Socialism stood for. They knew of the program announced by the Nazi Party, and they also had knowledge of Nazi methods. The official NSDAP program, with its 25 points, was open and notorious. Announced and published to the world in 1920, it was published and republished and adverted to throughout the years. The Nazis made no secret of their intentions to make the party program the fundamental law of the German state. The Nazis made no secret of their intentions generally. For all to read, there was Mein Kampf, the product of the warped brain of the Führer, and there were the prolific writings and utterances of many other leaders who rose to prominence, some of whom are now sitting in the defendant's box. And Hitler himself had announced that the Nazis would use force if necessary to achieve their purposes. Among the conspirators, there were those who, like the defendants Hess, Rosenberg, and Goering, who were associated with Hitler from the very inception of the conspiracy. These men were among the original planners. They were the men who subsequently set the pace and cast the mold for the future. But there were also other conspirators. The balance of the defendants in the box fit into this category, who voluntarily joined the conspiracy later. Now, while these men may be characterized, perhaps, as cruel or callous or inhuman, they certainly may not be called dull or stupid. They knew and had had the opportunity to observe the manifestations of Nazi violence and Nazi methods as the pattern of the swastika developed. They knew the nature of what they were getting into. Therefore, they must be presumed to have had the desire to participate, and participate they did, voluntarily. And so we submit that it may not validly be inferred that they did not join the stream of the conspiracy with their eyes open, with scienter, as the conspiracy gathered momentum and developed into a rushing torrent.